Are you unsure on how to choose the correct fabric for upholstery? There are a few factors to consider and we're going to explore them now. There is a variety of fabrics to choose from, depending on your budget or the decor scheme. From tapestry fabrics to velvet to cotton prints and wovens, we have a large variety of upholstery fabrics available. If you're not going to choose an already FR treated fabric, then your options will be influenced by the composition. All fabrics that are over 75% natural fibres can be used with an FR liner. All fabrics that are under 75% natural fibres will need to be treated. For an example, wool fabrics. Wool fabrics are over the 75% natural fibres, therefore you just need to use an FR liner. If you're unsure on the individual fabric specifications, then check with your upholsterer. And one main factor to consider is the Martindale rub test result. This is a result that measures the durability of a fabric. So anything between 10 and 20,000 rubs would be considered lightweight upholstery. This means that you could use it for a headboard or a footstool, nothing that gets lots of wear and tear. 20 to 25,000 rub tests could be used for chair or bench seating. And then finally, 25,000 rubs and above can be used for heavy use. So this would be a sofa or any furniture that's going to be used in a commercial setting. So the Martindale rub test result is an important factor when choosing the correct upholstery fabric. All upholstery fabrics, whether it's domestic or commercial, must comply to the current fire regulations. There are 3 ways to ensure that you comply. Number 1 would be purchasing a fabric that already has been treated. This is the most cost-effective and budget-friendly thing to do. Number 2 is purchasing a fabric and then having it FR treated. And then finally, number 3 is using an FR liner. Now you should be equipped with the knowledge to purchase the perfect upholstery fabric. Head to our website and visit our showrooms for thousands of upholstery fabrics. We do also offer an FR service and sell the FR liner, so get in touch if you have any further queries.